In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to 10x your editing speed with some essential shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Let's get straight into it. The first keyboard shortcut I'm going to be showing you is L, and that is play. So I'm going to press L, and what you'll notice is if you press L again, it will speed up slightly. If you press L again, it will speed up even more, and it will just keep speeding up the more you press L. You can also do this backwards as well by pressing J. So if you press J, it will then play backwards. If you press J again, it will then play quicker backwards. And you can keep pressing J and it will keep going quicker. An important keyboard shortcut to note here also is K. So let's say you've pressed L and you're playing your clip. You can press K to pause it. You can press J to go back, for example. So these three keys I use all the time in my editing workflow. And also an very essential keyboard shortcut is Q, and this will delete everything before the playhead. So for example, here if I press Q, now that's deleted the whole of the start of the clip before the playhead. If I want to undo this, I can press Command Z or Control Z on Windows. The inverse of that also is, let's say I want to delete everything after the playhead, I will press W. And then you can see everything after the playhead has been deleted also. And I'm going to press Command Z to undo this. Let's say I want to make a cut on the clip and I want it to be fast. What I can do is use the keyboard shortcut Command and K. Alternatively on Windows, that would be Control and K. To undo this, I'm going to press Command Z. Let's say I want to select the track selection tool and select all the clips. I'm going to press A. This will allow you to select all the clips. If you want to select one row of the clip, you can hold Shift and select, and this will select one row. If I want to go back to the selection tool, I can press V, go off this. Let's say I'm here on my playhead and I want to go to the end of the clip. I'm going to press FN and the right arrow. This will go to the end of the clip. Alternatively on Windows, you can press the end key to do this. Alternatively, if I want to go to the start, I'll press the FN key and the left arrow. Alternatively, on Windows, you need to press the home key. And that is it for the video. I hope you found value in this, and I will see you in the next one.